Hello. So I just toss it up, and the cup will magically crush. Just take the coins, drop them in the cup, snap my fingers, and the coins magically disappear.
Whoa!
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I've got my daughter Ava with me, and we're showing you 5 fun magic tricks that you can do right now.
It's gonna be fun.
So if you guys are ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. This first one's a cool card trick that you can do at home right now. Check it out. Okay, so I have a cool card trick to show you, and it only uses 2 cards. So it's the 5 of diamonds and the 5 of hearts. It's actually really cool. If I take the cards like this and I just hold them like that, you know what's better than 5 on a card? It's actually 5 cash. Okay, here's the secret behind this amazing card trick. Here's what you need to pull off this trick. You need 2 5s, you need another separate card, some scissors, some glue, and a bill, a paper note. You can really do this with any cards you want, but I think the 5s and it being a $5 bill works really nicely. Your first step is to take your other card that is not one of the 5s, and you're gonna cut out a little semicircle on one side of it, just like that. Remove that piece, and that piece can be set aside. This is all you need. Then what we're gonna do is we're actually going to glue this to the back of one of the 5s. So you're gonna run a tiny little bead of glue just around the edge. You don't wanna go in the middle because you wanna kinda create like a little pocket that you can slip the bill into. So you wanna line this up as best you can and then just stick it into place just like that. Once the glue is set and dried, this is what you're gonna be set up with. Now your preparation's pretty much done. All you have to do is fold up a bill like this, and you're just gonna slide it into your little homemade card pocket, just like that. Now you can show the cards very cleanly on both sides, just like this. You're then gonna hold the 2 cards just like this with the faces up, and as you shuffle them back and forth between your hands, you're actually going to remove the bill and position it between them so that when you spread them like this, it looks like the bill is just magically produced from between the cards. Let me show you a cutaway view of that. So as you're shuffling the cards back and forth like this, you're just going to grab the bill out and keep it pinned behind the card just like so. You can then bring the other card like this to sandwich it together. Then once you have it into that position between the 2 cards, you can slowly spread them apart to reveal the money, let it pop out onto your hand or the spectator's hand. They can unfold the bill and see the money has magically appeared from between the 2 cards. You can briefly show the cards front and back. You just want to be careful not to flash that too much. You can kind of hold it like this to show the cards pretty cleanly. And that is how you magically pull cash from cards. Here's a fun trick with stuff you probably already have around the house. Okay, I have a really cool trick to show you with a paper bag. So first off, my hands are empty. Verify that for everybody at home. Nothing in my hands. Okay, seems legit. Also, nothing inside the paper bag. It is completely empty inside. You can see it tilted upside down, nothing in it. So what I'm going to do, it's a classic magic trick called the Miser's Dream, but I'm kind of like changing it up for a paper version of it. So check it out, it's really cool. So check it out, I got the paper bag. If I just reach up in the air like this, I can grab a little paper ball right here. See it on my fingertips? It's invisible. If I toss it up, it lands in the bag just like that. Did you see it?
Yeah.
You got to watch. If I grab again, you can see it right here. You just grab one out of the air. Just like that, and you can toss it up. It'll go into the bag. See it? Watch, I can grab another one right there. So I just toss it up, it goes into the bag. And I can do it again. There's another one right there. Just toss it up. And it goes into the bag. You can grab another one. This one's invisible. Right there. Right in. And you can just keep doing it. I got another one right there. Toss it up. It goes into the bag. So much that you can actually look. Hold out your hands. They're all real.
That is so cool. How did you grab them out of your air?
Good.
That was really cool. I really want to know how to do that.
I will teach you how it's done and you right now. Okay, here is how you set up the magic paper ball trick. The first thing you're gonna need is a bunch of paper balls, and you're gonna make those from a bunch of little sheets of paper. Just crumble them up in a ball like that, and make about 10 or 12 of these. In addition to the paper balls, you're going to need a paper bag. That's all you need to pull off this trick and these sleight of hand skills. You're gonna start out with all the paper balls inside the bag before the trick starts. So you start out with all the paper balls in the bag because you want to be able to show your hands clean and empty. You're then going to reach down inside the bag like this and kind of flap it back and forth. Do that convincing that the bag is empty. And when you're reaching down inside the bag, you're actually secretly palming one of the paper balls in your hand. So I've shown my hands empty, reach down inside, say, look, it's completely empty, nothing inside, and I've actually secretly palmed a ball. That's the first one I'm gonna produce right there. So now that I've palmed the ball, I'm gonna switch hands. I'm gonna come over here, the ball's gonna get transferred to the other hand, and I'm gonna hold the bag like this from the bottom so that you can grip it when you turn it upside down so that none of the paper balls fall out. Here's how we're making it look like the balls are appearing inside the bag. You're just gonna lightly flick the back of the bag with your finger hidden behind the bag. As I toss the ball in, I'm flicking the bag with my other finger, and it makes it seem like there's a ball just magically appearing inside the bag. It's just like the miser's dream trick with the coins landing inside the bucket. That sound is what really sells the illusion in the spectator's mind. You simply combine that with this motion of grabbing a ball out of the air and then tossing it in. It's also nice to kind of make it look like you toss it up in the air, and it's got a nice arc to it before it goes into the bag. So you've got the ball here, toss it up and into the bag. So it's a really simple move over here. You're just keeping this concealed in your hand like that and then just moving it out like that. So here and here. That's all you have to practice. Once you've effectively blown their mind by throwing the invisible balls into the bag, you can then dump them out just like that into their hands. Total mind blow. It's such a cool trick, and it's super easy to do. And that is the secret of the magic paper balls in the bag trick. All right, guys, this is our how-to magic trick of the week. The trick of the week this week is brought to you by EvanEraTV.com. Get some cool magic tricks, some fun laugh at life gear for summer. Check out the link in the description, EvanEraTV.com. Here's a really cool coin trick that you can do at home with very little practice.
Check it out.
Okay, I have a cool trick to show you with this cup. You can see there's nothing inside, right?
Yeah, nothing inside.
Empty. I also have in my pocket some coins. You can see some coins there, normal coins.
Yep.
Watch, the coins go in the cup, just like that. And watch, if I just snap my fingers, the coins magically disappear.
Where'd they go?
So watch, I can actually just take the cup. The cup will actually go 1, 2, on the count of 3. Couple actually disappeared.
What? How did you make that cup disappear?
Magic. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, first thing you're gonna need for this trick is some magnets. Little refrigerator magnets like this will work perfectly. It's gonna need about 2 or 3 of them. Then you're also going to need some coins. Now it's really important that you have a certain type of coin. They need to be ferrous coins. Most American money is non-ferrous, meaning it will not stick to magnets. Now these pennies are actually steel core pennies, along with a franc and a Mexican coin right here. These are all ferrous money, meaning they all stick to magnets. That is important because we're going to use the magnets to make it look like the coins completely disappear inside the cup. So you'll need a little bit of tape, and you're just going to tape the magnets in place on the bottom of the cup just like that. You want to hide that from your audience's view from the beginning of the trick. You never want them to see the bottom of the cup. Now, since we have the magnets on the bottom of the cup, when we drop the coins inside, they'll stick to the magnets through the bottom of the paper cup so that when we turn it upside down, they're completely held inside and it looks like they've just vanished. And of course, they're still stuck right there. Now, to take this a step further, we wanted to figure out how we could then make the cup vanish too. So here's what we came up with. Using the exact same magnets that are on the bottom of the cup, we're gonna use those magnets to vanish the cup along with the coins. Let me show you how. You're gonna take a piece of duct tape. You're gonna stick 2 or 3 of the magnets right there on the duct tape, and then you're gonna stick this on the inside of the back lining of your shirt. So right here on your back, you're just gonna fold up this part of your t-shirt or your suit jacket or whatever you're wearing, and you're just going to tape those magnets in place just like that on the inside of the fabric so it cuts down on the sound. And now when you bring around the cup to the back, those magnets will actually stick to the magnets that are on the bottom of the cup right here, just like that, and it will hold the cup to your side so that you can make the cup vanish with a quick motion on a 1, 2, 3. Looks like the coins and the cup have now just magically disappeared. And that is the secret behind the magic vanishing coins and the vanishing cup trick. Leave a like on the video if you didn't know how that trick was done and you learned something new. Also leave a like on the video if you did know how that trick was done and you learned absolutely nothing. For this trick, you're going to use the power of your mind to do something truly amazing. Check it out. Okay, so I have an empty coffee cup here. Check this out. I'm not going to touch it. It's going to use the power of my mind. Check this out. And the cup will magically crush. Super simple secret. Here's how it's done. Okay, first things first, this is not a normal coffee cup. It is actually a squishy foam coffee cup. Part 2, we actually have a piece of monofilament, a piece of fishing line that's running all the way down through the middle of this squishy cup. On top of the cup, we have a piece of clear plastic, just like this, kind of acting as a washer. And we have the piece of monofilament knotted at the top so that it stops right there on the washer. Now, the monofilament, the piece of fishing line, it runs down through the squishy and out through the bottom of my fingers, just like this. You can have the other end attached to your belt loop so that as you pull your hand away, it looks like the cup just magically crushes. This works very similar to the magic folding bill trick, where you have the piece of thread going through the bill, and as you pull on the string, the bill folds up on its own. And then if you wanted to, you could let it magically restore as well by letting the tension off the line, and it will magically puff back up to its original shape. And that is how to seemingly crush a coffee cup with your mind. Here's a handy little trick to pull off at a moment's notice. It's a fun coin trick. Check out the coin, make sure it's normal. Also have a bundle of pencils here. Is it normal? I feel like a coin. So we've got the coin right here. Gonna take our bundle of pencils. Watch. I just slide the coin into the bundle of pencils just like this. You can see it go in like that, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so now watch. If I just wave my hand over it, put your hand underneath the pencils for me. Watch. If I just wave my hand, abracadabra. Watch. You can kind of see this happen. Look.
Whoa! Did the coin shrink?
Tiny. The secret behind this one requires a hands-on approach. Tiny hands are available now at EvanEraTV.com if you want to pick some up. A lot of different tricks you can do with these things. You can get a pack of 5 at EvanEraTV.com. The link for those are in the description. Setting this up yourself is as easy as just taking one of the tiny hands and a bundle of pencils, and you're just going to push one of the pencils out from the middle just like that. Then all you have to do is slip the tiny hand onto the end of the pencil and push it down into the middle of the bundle just like that so that it's hidden at this angle. So you can hold the pencils like this, show them off, and you're going to keep this hidden on the back side of the pencils. This is what allows you to make the hand come out. You're going to hold the bundle of pencils like this, concealing the pencil sticking out on the back. Looks like a normal bundle of pencils right here, and then to make the tiny hand come out, all you have to do is press this pencil like that and make it flush with the rest of them. The tiny hand will pop out from inside the pencils, presenting a tiny coin, a tiny card, or just to say hi to your audience. And that is the secret of the magic shrinking coin trick. Giveaway time. For this video, I'm giving away 5 packs of 5 tiny hands. We have these available now in the shop, but if you want to win some, leave a comment in the comment section down below. These are even smaller than the tiny hands that we currently have in the shop. These tiny hands will actually go on the fingers of the current tiny hands that we have in the shop. So super crazy. They're really tiny. So if you want to pick up a pack, the link for that's down in the description. If you want to win some, leave a comment in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win, hit the thumbs up on the video and leave a comment down below. In fact, the more comments you leave on the video, the better your chances of winning, because I'll be picking random comments. 5 comments actually. I'll be mailing out the hands to you so you can perform these tricks at home. Have some fun, leave a comment down below and win some free stuff. Time to announce our giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are on the screen right here. Send me an email to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Include your full mailing address in the email and the video that you won from. Congratulations to everyone who won that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave your comments down below. If you like this video and you want to explore more amazing magic tricks with us, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We make new magic videos every single week. And if you believe in the magic, every time you click the subscribe button, a unicorn is born. I'll be responding to comments on this video for the first hour after I post it, so be sure to leave me a comment down below and I will try to respond to everyone that I can. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it. If you missed the last episode, check it out right over there. The subscribe button is right down there. Tap that notification bell to see all of our videos. The shop's right down there if you want to grab some merch. The vlog channel's down there as well. Subscribe to that too. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.